Hey guys, Gillian here. I'm super excited for today's video because I am taking you along on my day for a what I eat in a day raw vegan video. It's gonna be a good one. If you guys watch my channel already, you know that I do not cook my food. I haven't for over 5 years now, and I'm absolutely thriving on the raw vegan diet. Eating these living foods makes me feel so alive. Today I'm actually filming 5 YouTube videos. I'm gonna take you guys along and turn on the camera whenever I'm ready to eat. So right now I am at my local juice bar, the Village Juicery. I'm so excited. I am filming a scene here soon with one of my carnivore friends. He's gonna do raw vegan for the day, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And I'm gonna grab a smoothie, so come along in and let's start the day. Okay guys, so I got my smoothie. So good. So this one is the tropical recovery that I got. It's tropical fruits with also added strawberry, orange juice, filtered water, some turmeric juice, some ginger juice, some lemon juice, and some camu. So this one is really good, and I love this juicery. I come here a lot. Also, just so you guys know, before I had this morning, I also had some delicious fresh cantaloupe as well when I was getting my kids ready for school. And I'm gonna go film another scene for another video at one of the fruit markets here on Bloor Street in Toronto where I live. And the next time I eat something, I will turn on the camera and bring you guys along. Hey guys, okay, so I'm back at my apartment now, and I actually, since I saw you last, I did eat a couple apples. So I did have a couple Honeycrisp apples, and I didn't have the camera with me then to show you guys, but they were delicious. Honeycrisp apples are just like my go-to snacks on the go. So I think it's important on the raw lifestyle too to always keep snacks and food on you. Helps you stay on track. Now I never eat cooked food, so I never crave it. So I'm not tempted by the drive-thrus and things like that. But especially for somebody getting started, just always make sure you're prepared, and you're just more likely to be successful if that's something you want to accomplish, staying like super healthy or the raw vegan lifestyle. Right now, I really feel like some coconuts. If you guys know me, you know I love my coconuts, and I can't recommend these enough. If you've never bought these and you want to and you don't see them at your local market, then definitely ask the produce manager. Many times they can bring them in for you. Definitely worth it. Or hit up the Asian markets. Most of the time you will have no problem at all finding them there. And they are so easy to open with this CocoJack tool, which I will link down below. This is one of my favorite tools. I've had it for years and years. So there we go. And look, you guys, it just pops up like that. So the meat in this one is a little pink, and I know some people still think, oh, it's fine when it's like that and they like it. I don't personally love the meat when it's pink like that. So I'm not gonna drink the meat in this one. Or eat the meat, sorry, but I will probably eat it in this one. And I'm also so excited to show you guys what I'm gonna have for lunch today and for dinner. It's something totally different you guys have never seen me eat before, so I can't wait to share it with you guys. So make sure you stick around for that. And I'm just gonna open this. And I mean, the meat from one coconut is enough fat anyways. It's getting a bit much to eat the meat from two. And I know I show a lot of fats on my channel, but believe it or not, I do a lot of low fat or no fat days as well. So I definitely will get around to sharing those soon. And here's the coconut water. Cheers, you guys. I absolutely love it. So good. So I'm going to turn the camera off because I have some people coming. I actually have Eli coming from the Free Melon Society. So he's a 6-year fruitarian. You guys know, which you guys already know because you've seen him on my channel if you do watch my channel. He's awesome. He's going to help us do a durian taste test with a few people I know. And that's gonna be awesome, and a few other videos. So I'm gonna turn the camera off, and I will turn it back on probably when he's here, when we start eating some food, so you guys can see what I eat next. An hour has passed since I had the coconut. I went and did some work on some videos, and I am ready to eat again. So I'm excited to show you guys this. It's one of my favorite fruits in the world, and I don't think I've ever shared it on my channel. Today I'm gonna be having some jackfruit. This fruit is incredible, and it might look kind of like some sort of animal on the outside, or like super unattractive and even maybe somewhat scary. 30 pounds. They can grow, I believe, up to about 120 pounds, and I believe jackfruit is the largest growing tree growing fruit in the world. And you guys, just, it might look like that on the outside, but look how it looks on the inside. I have another one that was pre-cut, so I'm just taking the pods out and preparing them. And one of my friends is here, and he's gonna be trying this and Durian for the first time. This is Durian. This actually hurts me to even pick up. I've never had a fresh Durian. This was crazy expensive, so I am just, please help me and give this video a big thumbs up right now. And I'm doing a durian taste test video today with this as well, so I'm so excited. This fruit is not even allowed on planes because it's known to be the strongest, like stinkiest fruit in the world, and people either love it or hate it. But yeah, right now I'm gonna have some jackfruit. Literally this fruit, it tastes like juicy fruit gum. It is just so good. This is one fruit, I think this is like the meatiest fruit there is. Like, it's such a meaty texture to the point that vegans or raw vegans choose not even to eat it because they just think it's like so close to meat. So I love it. It's also super high in protein, and this is what a lot of cooked vegans use for, they use like jackfruit in tacos as like a meat replacement, and they cook it. It's really good like that as well. I don't eat cooked food, but I have had that a few years ago. I was expecting this to be way more expensive because I remember when I first went raw, I bought a jackfruit in Chinatown and I think it was about 60 bucks. So this is 30 pounds and I only paid 25 bucks for it, which is really good. So I know for one piece of fruit, 25 bucks might sound like a lot to people, but literally there is so much food in this. So I'm gonna enjoy sharing this as well with like the people around me, because even people who aren't vegan, like they love this fruit. Everyone I've given it to loves it. I'm gonna enjoy this, and when I'm ready to eat something else, I will turn the camera on. Okay guys, so it's time to eat again. So I turned the camera back on, and today we're so blessed because we're enjoying the $105 durian. And we did a taste test video, which was awesome, with some other people, which you can see on my channel. But Eli and I actually love the durian. We like it. Eli loves it. I like it. So this is what I'm gonna snack on right now, and we're having a lot of fun today.
Yeah, this is so good.
It's so fun making videos, and it's nice to be with like-minded friends who enjoy the same foods. It's so hard to find another raw vegan, right?
Yeah, usually the frozen durians, if you're talking Canadian, they can go on sale for $3.99 a pound, $4.99 a pound, or even, I've even seen $2.99 a pound. And yeah, so it's a lot more affordable then if you want to explore and try it. But the fresh durian, yeah, they're really expensive.
It's crazy, and it's like scary. It hurts. So this is a tree-growing fruit, right?
Yeah.
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 When I when I first tried it, I was like, I don't know, but now I like it. Oh, and so my mom wants to try a piece of jackfruit. She's never tried jackfruit before. She's right here. I know. I made a mess in the kitchen
It's almost
when
like
I cut
a
some
giant pomegranate.
Yeah.
The way you
yeah,
break it open.
Kind of like a pomegranate. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take these little white fibers here. You don't eat those.
Yeah.
Just the yellow pods. Just kind of
rip it.
rip one out.
Well,
Yeah,
bite the top. Let's see how you like it.
That's it.
Oh, that's normal.
That's normal.
Yeah, right? She
I like
just tried durian for the first time, and she did not like that.
All this I'd eat.
Yeah, that's good, right?
It's good, yeah. With
Like-
jackfruit, I mean, like you can't be a human being and not like ripe
That's
jackfruit.
really good.
It's really sweet. Yeah, it's really good.
How would you
That's awesome.
describe the taste if like anybody's wondering?
Almost like a mango-y taste.
Okay, yeah. People often describe it as bubble gum, like edible bubble gum.
I
Juicy
can
fruit gum.
almost taste like mango though in it.
Mango, yeah.
Yeah. And you guys, like I've said, my mom's eating more raw. She's staying with me right now. She's been eating more raw, and she's feeling good, right? So if you guys want to see a video on that, comment down below. Next time I eat today, I will turn the camera back on, and I can't wait to show you guys the amazing gourmet dinner that I'm going to have tonight. We really enjoyed for lunch. The durian was so incredible, and some jackfruit. Some time has passed, and I feel like a coconut. I want some coconut water. I'm so excited. I got these real coconuts. These are from Costa Rica. I've never seen this kind in Canada before. I've only seen the ones that all this has been taken off, like the white part. Eli is gonna open these for us, and I'm gonna enjoy some coconut. So I'm really excited. So
sorry.
apparently he's going to use this big knife. We do not have a machete. I love in Costa Rica. They're like, shh, but I'm excited to see what Eli does here.
And then once we've got a bit of the canvas clear, that looks about right.
Wow. It's okay. It's all right. Honestly,
all
it doesn't
good.
matter at all.
So that'll happen when you get an initial crack. Then just keep rotating it around and move around to another side. And just kind of put your knife in and
Whoa, just like Costa Rica. And this one's from Costa Rica. Wow.
yeah, just like that.
That looks so good. Wow. Okay, so yeah, this one Eli prepared for us. Now I'm gonna see if the Cocoa Jack works on it. Let's hope. We'll see.
Am I standing in the exact wrong place? Like,
Yeah, you
exploded
are.
My face. I am. Okay.
No, you're okay there.
I'm okay. All right.
Eli's never used a Cocoa Jack.
I've never used. Yeah.
Yeah, he does it the old school, like the good way. Usually don't come out with so much water.
Jesus
Oh wow, it worked. Look at that, you guys. Just like being in the tropics. You are back in Honduras right now. Here, team effort right there, right?
Thank you.
That looks good.
Ooh,
Cheers.
Oh, that works pretty well. Cheers.
Yeah, that works.
Thank
Cheers.
you.
Well, thanks. We're gonna go enjoy these coconuts. They're so good.
Oh my God, yeah, that's good.
And I will catch up with you guys when I have dinner. I'm actually going to my favorite raw food restaurant tonight, Raw Aura. So I'm excited to indulge in like some raw gourmet. So stay tuned, and I will turn the camera back on when I'm there. My amazing friend Kevin behind the camera, he's having a burrito, which looks so good. And then I'm having an Alfredo pasta. You guys, this is a lemon pepper Alfredo.
That looks
Oh, that's
crazy.
amazing.
It's unreal, you guys. So I'll have to get Sean to test. You can test this too.
me
And
go
then
for it.
Sean's is on the way.
It's good. Getting my head wrapped around cold pasta is an interesting concept, but it's good. A lot of flavors.
Yeah.
Definitely delicious. Would I replace it? Would I like replace
There's
my,
yours.
my Nona's bolognese with this? No. But it's good. Absolutely delicious.
amazing.
Fantastic. Absolutely.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Okay. This looks really good.
Wow, that looks unreal.
I will eat with the chopsticks later. We're going to use a fork right now so I don't chopstick down my chest as we do this. So let's take a
I've
look.
actually never had their pad thai. It looks so good. I might have to have a bite if that's okay after.
Yeah, absolutely. I think I prefer this over that.
Yeah.
It's very good because like pad thai is a lot of vegetables already, and like obviously it doesn't have like chicken or shrimp or whatever, but it is good. It's got a lot of flavor. It's delicious. Like
That looks really good. Can you guys see?
Glad
Can
you
you
like
see
it.
close up on that, Kevin?
That looks amazing. Holy smokes.
Now I'm gonna end the day with my favorite ice cream, my blue spirulina ice cream. I can give you guys the secret recipe for this. It is just almond milk, frozen bananas, frozen mango, and blue spirulina powder, which is so healthy. It's a probiotic, and this is just so delicious. Even my friend who's a carnivore absolutely loved it when he tried it. So I can't recommend this enough, you guys. And it's sweet, but doesn't have like the artificial sugars or the dairy or like any of the mucus forming stuff. It's really delicious. That is it for today's video. I do hope you guys loved it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up right now. Make sure you subscribe because I have such great videos coming up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.